would like to explain in research methodology paper. The topic is format of research proposal. That is APA format. Do you know APA? APA means American Psychological Association. Okay. In this research proposal, here mainly 5 topics we can discuss about that. One is title, second one is abstract, third one introduction, fourth one research design or method, fifth one references. Okay. In research proposal, the first is the title is very important. Okay. Your title is no more than 12 words in the length. That is necessary when will you select the research proposal topic. Okay. The title mainly no more than 12 words in length. Do you understand? And the running head, that is the columns is necessary. And after that, abstract. Abstract in the sense brief summary of the entire proposal. Do you understand? Next, it is outline of the proposal's major headings. In the sense, the research question, theoretical framework, research design, sampling method, instrumentation, and data analysis, everything you should write in abstract. It is mainly in proposal introduces the problem, purpose and significance of the study. It was discussed in abstract. Abstract, I think, overall review of the research work. Okay. And after introduction. In an introduction, mainly statement of the problem and purpose of the study and hypothesis of the study and literature review. These are necessary in introduction. Okay. First of all, we have to explain about the statement of the problem in introduction. Which problem you are taking. And after that, why do select this problem and what is the purpose of the study. Okay. And after hypothesis. Hypothesis is necessary. And after that, literature. Literature is that is the reference of the previous research works. Okay. And after that, research design or method. This is the most important section in the entire proposal. Discusses what measures the researcher will take in order to test the study and the hypothesis. In this mainly, which type of research we are selected, research method we are selected. Suppose survey method, experimental method, descriptive method, and number of methods are there, no? Historical method. So which type of method you are selected and which type of data collected and samples gathered and analyzing the data in this. Okay, that is the research design. In this research design, we discuss about that overall which method was taken and which work done through the collecting data and finally analyzing the data in this. Okay. And last one is references. References in this an alphabetized list of all the sources of the information. Do you understand? In this mainly, when will you prepare the research proposal, in that time we should have maintained the general structures. In this mainly 12 point size is necessary, and times New Roman is necessary, and after that double spaced is necessary between the lines, and 1 inch margin are necessary in all sides of the paper. Okay, do you understand? I mean top, bottom, left, right. 1 inch only margin is necessary when you prepare the research proposal. Okay, I think you understand. I will show one example research proposal to you. You try to understand. This is the title. See once. A study on the evaluation of the 6th standard social studies textbook. Okay. This is the example of the title. Okay. Next, like that, abstract, introduction and research design. Like that, introduction, and after objectives, hypothesis, method of research, and variables of the study, and sample of the study, construction of the tool. And finally, references. Already I said references is compulsory, prepared like that in alphabetically. See once here, A, B, C, T, like that. Okay, in alphabetically you should prepare first of all author name, and after that author book name, and after when he published year. Okay, this is the reference. Do you understand? Thank you so much.